Alright, so I went to Target and bought 3 zombie strike guns. Well, actually 2 because one's a pistol holder. And so I got the Clearshot, a zombie strike pistol holder, and the double strike. So I'm gonna open the double strike first. This. Well, actually my dad, because I need a little help. So it came with 2 darts and the gun. Let's see, brother. And my brother's opening a little package right there.
This brother.
So this is how you load the gun. So first, it has no sling mounts. It has 1 sight and 1 tactical rail. So how you do it is you cock this priming handle back on the back of the gun. And it's pretty hard, but you can do it. And you put the 2 darts in the gun, and then you just fire.
Want to see how far they go?
And now we're gonna do a shooting test.
Aim for the angry bird.
And we're gonna aim for that little angry bird. Farther than I expect.
Hit the angry bird.
So one of them hit the angry bird. Now I'm gonna go get my bullets. And next we are going to open the wait, what? Oh yeah, the Clearshot. My dad got off the pistol holder and the Clearshot. So I'm gonna take the Clearshot, and you could just put the scope on like this if you want to see through the scope. So then you put it comes with 2 old zombie strike darts and 2 new zombie strike darts with 10, 20, 30, and 40. So there's one that goes right here, one that goes right here, and then 2 on the bottom right here. And you pop this back. So we're gonna actually try 2 shooting tests to see which one has more accuracy in it. Whoa, that was weird. Did that one fall inside the trash can?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I thought it did.
That was pretty close.
The last one actually whistled a little bit. So this doesn't shoot far. It shoots about 30 to 40 feet. But it's pretty good for a small gun. And then now we're going to take the scope off. And now we're going to load the darts. And it has a sight right here. And right here.
Now, could you put your laser sight on that from your other gun?
Maybe. Yeah, I already cocked it. Alright, now. Fire.
It almost looks like it shoots better without the sight. Without the scope.
So, 4 of them right here. I found one laying inside the kitchen. Picture of the hammer shot, so it just goes like this. So I can just put the 4 bullets in here because this is sort of like a pistol, and it does work. And I thought it wasn't gonna work, and it works with the double strike. So yeah, let's go. Actually, let's go. Alright, so put it on this, and if you want to look through it again, you can. It's kind of a weird scope, but it's pretty cool and awesome at the same time. So then we put it in like this.
May not fit with the scope.
Oh yeah, take the scope off. And then put it right here.
It goes over the handle. There you go.
So then it goes like this.
Now
So
you're
then
ready
if
to
you're
go.
out of ammo with like a enormous gun with so much ammo, take this out, fire. And it doesn't work with that, with the Clearshot scope, but it'll go like this, and that's fine.
It's a nice go-to gun when you run out of ammo.
Yeah.